Hi, my dear friends. I want to introduce to you my co-hostess for Gardening Tour Saturday 2023. Patricia is such a wonderful, wonderful creator, and she loves to garden and gives so much great gardening tips. Please go over and check her out. She is a wonderful channel. She is just awesome and gives so much great information. You'll learn a lot from Patricia. Go check this wonderful gardening channel out. And she always has a big smile for everyone too, and a very, very good friend. It's Garden Tour Saturday. As you can see, the yard is starting to look beautiful. It's finally warmed up a little here. It's been so cold here and rained so much, and everything is looking just beautiful. It only took a couple of warm days to make everything look beautiful. Look how this has bloomed out. This is my favorite plant in my front yard. It only blooms about 6 weeks a year, but this is the time of the year it blooms. And it always is a showcase for me in my very, very front yard. And as you can see, the poppies are up all around it. Now, once the flowers go back, you'll still have a beautiful plant to look at. It'll just be the leaves. Then you'll be able to see these beautiful apricot colored plants back here. But isn't it beautiful? It looks so beautiful, so delicate, and it's hard to believe I can put a fairy house on it and it can support it. Can you believe that? It gives you the feeling that it has so beautiful and delicate, but it's not. It's tough and hardy. And it started out about 5 years ago, about a 2 or 3 inch plug. Couldn't tell you the name, but it has managed to grow this much in about 5 years. And I'm letting it grow as much as it wants. I don't care if it takes over this whole block wall. That's how much I love it. And look, you can see it's starting to spread into my lawn. I don't know how I feel about that. May have to do something about it. But it is one of my favorites. So I may not even care. We'll have to wait and see. But is it not beautiful? Like I said, it's one of my favorites. You can see poppies everywhere, can't you? It is just beautiful. I love poppies, and all you have to do is throw out some seeds and you're all ready to go. Now I have other things in here besides poppies, as you can see. These little blue flowers that you see came up last year, and I just let them reseed themselves and they came back again this year. And because I let my carrots go to seed also, not all of them, but some of them, I have carrots. Whoops, got my shadow in here. Carrots everywhere in this garden too. Poppies, 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 and carrots, carrots everywhere. Need to get in here and get some weeds pulled out also. And you can see more poppies everywhere. All these beautiful flowers. I just love them. They're everywhere in my garden.